Bro. Okay, so we just finished the basketball game, and we literally just heard something. I'm still with Steph Curry guy. Bro, we just heard like a bang or something out here where the creek is. Do you guys want to get a look at the creek?
Yeah, let's go down here.
Yeah, let's go down. We're going to go down, show you guys the creek. The creek was in one of our videos.
Oh yeah, that scary bobcat one.
Yeah, where we heard the bobcat. And, it was just the bobcat one, I'm pretty sure. Before I started this video, by the way, I burped out Mountain Dew.
You did?
Yep. I smell. Look, this is like the creek that we have a little like. So by the way, there's a creek over there, like somewhere behind these bushes, and so it overfloods and like some like gets here. Like, look how dirty this is, and then look at that. It looks so good. Okay, so yeah, he'll be going in like this, by the way, if we get that many likes and subscribers. Bro, I don't know what that noise was.
Bro, it was like, we're serious.
Yeah.
Is like, you know those videos like they fake stuff?
Yeah, some people fake stuff. We actually flipping heard something.
It was like
No joke, we're over there, and it sounded like it came from down here.
It was down. It was over there.
It sounded like it came from over there. Bro, why are we in here? Why are we in here, to be honest?
We're stupid idiots.
Yeah, we should get out. See ya! Okay. See ya, Creek. Have a nice time.
We're stupid idiots.
We're so dumb. We hear something, and then we come freaking down here. Oh, God.
Well, but actually we heard something.
Yeah, we literally did. I know it's going to be like a short little video, like a weird video. Oh, I think I just heard it. You guys probably couldn't hear it. You guys probably couldn't hear it? Bro, oh, I see something moving.
Where?
I saw something moving. Just a second ago, like over there. Bro, there's like a siren.
That bang.
Bro, what is that banging noise? What is that banging noise? What is that? Okay, bro, we gotta go. See you next time. See ya.